In this video, I will show you how to make this easy effect, so if you're interested, keep on watching. You need to create an adjustment layer. So go to Project, click on the new item, and then select Adjustment Layer. Select OK, and drag and drop the adjustment layer above the clips. Now make the adjustment layer shorter and adjust the position of it. In the Effects panel, type VR Chromatic Aberrations. Drag and drop the effect onto the adjustment layer. Now click the red color and set the keyframe to 0. Then move the playhead a little bit further and set the keyframe to -50. Set the last keyframe to 0 and place it at the end of the adjustment layer. Now set the keyframe for the green color and leave it at 0. Then move to the middle and set it to 20. Now move to the end and click on the reset icon. After that, create the first keyframe for the blue color and set it to 0. Then again move to the middle of the clip and set it to -10. And then place the last keyframe at the end and set it to 0. Now create the first keyframe for the fall off distance and set it to 0. Then move to the next keyframe again and set it to 100. After that, create the last keyframe and set it to 0. Then uncheck the Auto VR properties and set the frame layout to over/under. Now you can play your transition and you can adjust the position of the keyframes depending on your preferences. What you can also do is to right-click the first keyframes and select Ease Out. Then right-click the last keyframes and select Ease In. This step is not needed, but it will make the transition smoother. If you want to see more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.